Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Simple Speak. I'm very happy you are here today. Today, we will learn something very important. We will learn how to introduce yourself in English. Yes, how to talk about yourself in a simple and confident way. Don't worry, we will go slowly. We will use easy English, and you can listen, relax, and learn step by step. First, let me ask you a question. When you meet a new person, what do you say? Think about it. Maybe you feel shy. Maybe you don't know what to say. That is okay. Many people feel the same. But today, I will help you. Let's start with the first step. Step 1. Say hello. Very simple. You can say hello. Hi. Hi there. Yes, just a simple hello. Let's say it together, slowly. Hello. Again, hello. Good. Now step 2. Say your name. You can say, my name is, for example, my name is Rahul. My name is Anna. Let's repeat together. My name is. Again, my name is. Very good. Now there's a short way. You can say I'm. For example, I'm Rahul. I'm Anna. Let's practice. I'm. Again, I'm. Great job. Now step 3. Where are you from? You can say, I am from, for example, I am from India. I am from Brazil. I am from Japan. Now you try. Say it slowly. I am from. Again, I am from. Good, very good. Now let's add more information. This will make your introduction better. Step 4. Talk about your work or study. You can say, I am a student. I am a teacher. I work in an office. I work in a shop. Simple, easy, clear. Now repeat with me. I am a. Again, I am a. Nice. Now, step 5. Talk about what you like. This is fun. You can say, I like music. I like movies. I like reading. I like cooking. I like coffee and I like tea too. Small laugh. What about you? Now you try. Say, I like. Again, I like. Very good. Now let's put everything together. Listen carefully. Hello, my name is Rahul. I am from India. I am a student. I like music. Did you hear that? Simple, clear, easy. Now let's say it again slowly. Hello, my name is Rahul. I am from India. I am a student. I like music. Good. Now it's your turn. Yes, you. Speak out loud. Don't be shy. Question 1. What is your name? Say, my name is. Question 2. Where are you from? Say, I am from. Question 3. What do you do? Say, I am a student or I work. Question 4. What do you like? Say, I like. Very good. You are doing great. Now, let's practice again. Repeat after me, slowly. Hello, my name is. I am from. I am a. I like. Again, hello, my name is. I am from. I am a. I like. Nice work. Now I want to give you a small tip. Tip. Speak slowly. You don't need fast English. Slow English is good. Clear English is better. Tip: don't be afraid. It's okay to make mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Even I make mistakes sometimes. Small laugh. Tip: practice every day. Speak a little every day. Just 5 minutes, 10 minutes. That is enough. Now, let's do one more full example. Listen carefully. Hi, I'm Anna. I am from Brazil. I am a teacher. I like reading and traveling. Simple, right? You can do this. Yes, you can. Now, imagine this. You meet a new friend. You smile and you say, "Hello, my name is, I am from, I am a, I like." Very nice. You sound confident. You sound clear. You sound good. Okay, before we finish, I have a small task for you. Tell me in the comments, what is your name? Where are you from? What do you like? I really want to read your answers. Thank you so much for listening today. You are doing a great job. Keep practicing, keep learning. And remember, English can be easy when you learn step by step. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.